Hello my money makers, I came across a particular channel that is earning above $10,000 every single month. I mean every single month, without showing his or her face. Take a look at this channel and also take a look at this video.
Every new year rolls around and we always hear the same thing. Next year will be my year for real. Except it wasn't. Not in 2023, not in 2024, and it won't be in 2025 either. Unless you force it to be. So spare me a bit of your time and I'll force you to lock in for 2025.
After my hours of research, I cracked the code. The way this person curates his particular video that makes him to have this kind of views. I'm not only going to show you how to curate the video, I'm also going to give you the ideas and tips and the easiest way to come up with this kind of channel. Imagine waking up one day and realize that you have built a channel that is making you over $10,000 every single month. How would you feel? I know you'll be very happy. This channel actually makes use of sticky AI animations, combining it with motivation, inspiration, and all the cool stuff like that. If you want to create this kind of video, it can only take you 4 steps. Yeah, you guys know that on this channel, there is nothing like deceit or deceiving people. I don't deceive you. I tell you how real it is. You can actually check out their channel to see all that I'm saying here. Okay, this channel is monetized. So when I bring any niche to you, just know that I've gone through my proper research before I bring up any niche to you. I do take my time to do this research for you so that you don't make mistake in your content. I mean your faceless content journey. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Turn on your notification button so that whenever I drop a post, you'll be the first person to see it. And if you are seeing my face for the first time, I'm a digital entrepreneur showing you exactly how you can make money online legitimately, especially through content curation, which is the king of money making online. So let's dive in. Now the first step is go to that reference channel, go to their channel, go and pick most of their viral videos. Their videos that runs in millions, of which almost all their videos runs in millions. So pick the most viral. Let's do it. So go and search their channel on YouTube. Some of you tag guys, you open their channel. Now look at their videos. You will see their popular videos, the ones that they have high views. It just posted only 8 videos. So this one with 2.6 million, let's open it.
Since COVID, a lot has changed. The world isn't the same as it used to be.
So now, the next thing is just to click here to get our analysis, right? The topic is give me 7 minutes and I will force you to lock in this 2025. Okay, my goal as simple to be your reminder as simple and straightforward as possible. My videos don't promise, okay? Now let's look the transcript. You see it. Since a lot has changed, the world isn't the same as it used to be. So this is exactly what I did. First of all, I told ChatGPT develop the topic, that their topic. I copied it and I wrote it here. Start with a sharp hook like, since COVID, a lot has changed. That's the way they started their own. You know, I have to take the first sentence on their own. And then I said, okay, since COVID, the world isn't the same as it used to be. You can use any other thing that starts the video you are trying to curate. You can use their own to start yours. It should end with you are smart, you are cutie pie. The way their own ended, have summarized their video. I know that, okay, they're trying to motivate people to log in and then achieve a better result. So look at what I wrote here. You should end with so thing, make it emotionally captivating, very important. Now ChatGPT gave me this thing. Look at what I did again. I said develop it more, make it more relatable. ChatGPT now gave me another version of it. Since COVID, a lot has changed. The world isn't the same as it used to be. Now, it's not exactly those things that they created that you are going to create, but it is a similar version. Okay, remember, it is a 7 minutes video because the topic is give me your 7 minutes. Okay. Now, the second step is converting our script, that is our text, to audio. And this is how you can do that. So copy this. Copy from this sentence here. Let's copy. So we are going to make use of Speechma. Speechma is a free text to audio AI tool that you can use to generate your text. Paste your text here. As you can see, you can only have 2,000 words at a time maximum. So paste it here. It is still 1,000. I have to go back to copy the rest. So I'll stop here and then I'll come here to choose the voices. You will see different voice. You can play to know each one here.
Welcome to Speechma. I am Speechma's special
Welcome to Speechma. I am Speechma's special multilingual voice. Expressive, versatile.
Welcome to Speechma. I am Speechma's special multilingual voice. Expressive, versatile, and capable of...
Welcome to Speechma.
Welcome to Speechma. I am Speechma's special
Welcome to Speech.
So just choose one that relates to what you want to create. Now we're going to go with Andrew because Andrew sounds so relatable. Let's see.
Welcome to Speechma, where your words transform into high...
Just tap on it. It will write his selected voice, Andrew. Now you go ahead and hit generate audio. They'll ask you to fill in this place. Okay, with this that is written here, this number that is written here. 10, okay, just to show that you are not a robot. It's generating now. Let's wait for it. Now this is it. Let's play it.
Since COVID, a lot has changed. The world isn't the same as it used to be, and neither are you. Some people came out of that era stronger, wealthier, and wiser. Others are still trying to recover, still stuck in survival mode.
So let's go ahead and download it. It is downloading already. This is how you will copy the rest of the text and paste here. Once you are done, go back to that voice selection again and clear this place. Copy and paste the rest of them here and generate it as well. Okay. The third step is to get our stick animations, and this is very important. As you can see, their own is not moving, right? No body movement. This is how you can do it. I'm going to show you the simplest way. If you like this video, please go ahead to give it a thumbs up so that it can reach to other creators like you. So go to your browser, type canva.com this way. Now scroll to this side, you see videos. If you are making use of your laptop, you will also see it as well. Okay, just know that whatever I'm doing here with my phone, you can do it with your laptop. Scroll over here, you see YouTube videos. Yeah, it will come out this way. So we are going to get some of these stick notes. Let me tell you, before I discovered that Canva has such, you can use Mango Animator. And I noticed that Canva have this, like, you don't need to start creating it by yourself, designing it by yourself. You just have to leverage on the things that they have. So click on this element. First of all, before we click on the element, we are going to turn this page black color, give it a black background. Okay, now we have started our proper editing. You go to elements, so come to this top search bar and write stick figures, because I don't want any body movement at all. Okay, click on see all graphics. Now you will see tons of different stick animations that you can make use of. And mind you, anyone you still want, you can come to this place and search it. Okay, for instance, you are searching for a sleeping stick figure. You can just type sleeping stick figure. Sleeping. It's okay. And then you search it this way. They'll bring a lot of sleeping stick figures for you. Bear in mind that these ones with golden signs, that the paid ones. Okay. If you have the money, you can go ahead and purchase Canva premium offers. But if you don't have the money, you can make use of the free ones here. Now let's go back. Now the final step is to edit it, which is using Canva to edit it. You want to upload our audio first. Bring your audio. Click on upload files. Go to device. Go to media picker. And look for your audio. You add this place. Keep adding. But there is something I noticed about their video. Each image, each stick AI animation or each stick AI image does not exceed 2 seconds. Okay, so you have to just make it short. But let's start adding our stick animation. Go to elements. Let's search for it again. Stick figures. So now you start importing those elements. I also want to say something here. Let me take, for instance, go to your elements and then maybe I imported this one. You know, as you can see, the color is black in color, so I can come to this color place and change it to white. It will be white so that it can match what I'm explaining here. Okay, so let's play it a little.
Imagine achieving your biggest goals without anyone seeing it coming. No announcement, no applause, just results that leave everyone speechless.
So, same thing, I can just of this put it to black. I mean the background should go totally on black. I'm going to delete this, change this to white. Yeah, I'm good like this. Okay, so let me play it again.
Imagine achieving your biggest goals without anyone seeing it coming. No announcement, no applause, just results that leave everyone speechless. Sounds impossible? It's not. Today, I'll show you how to...
Now, when you are importing images, please import the one that relates to that thing you are explaining at that particular time, and let it not exceed 2 seconds. Okay, so this is it. You keep doing it until your audio is completed. As you're adding, you add the next one. You add as soon as your audio gets completed, you can stop. Okay, exactly, that's how you keep editing it. Now let me check another thing done in their video is
Faceless. But so did we. Somewhere along the way, we collectively lost a bit of spark. And if you're honest with yourself, you probably feel...
They also added a background sound. You have to get a background sound from YouTube library, or you go ahead to use Suno to get your own background sound. You can also use Pixabay. Make sure that you are using their free background sounds, or you can also use Pixels. These 3 things you are done. You add it the way you add this one. Upload, go to upload files, go to device, this way, and then you add your audio from here. That's all. With that, you are good to go. You export your video and make sure you give it the right title and the right thumbnails. With that, you are good to go. So guys, I hope you learned a lot from the video. Give this particular video a thumbs up. Do well to share it, subscribe, do all the needful. See you guys.